All right, folks, just took the box off. One of these things where you lift off the cover, and then that's it right there. There was a bunch of cardboard surrounding it. I have taken and recycled all that. Well, we're going to start putting this together. Remember, there is a video online that shows this from the Walmart people, from the expert grill people, and we'll keep on going. All right, folks, we got everything totally unpacked. Everything's out. And first of all, if you watch my videos before, I always show the blister pack to show how how difficult assembly is going to be, and that's it. That's impressive. Look at this. You've got all these pre-drilled and tapped holes, so there's no nuts. That makes assembly really easy. There's your wheels are 7-inch. You got some grates over there. There's your drip tray with the daisy wheel for searing. There's your smoke deflector, your heat deflector. Looks a little bit on the thin side. We'll have to see how that holds up. A side shelf, bottom shelf. Those are your regular grates. Below all this are your upper grates. There's a grease trough right there. You're wondering what this is for. I was wondering too. That is supposedly an ash clean out that goes, right there. And you twist that from the bottom and you can sweep out, although I usually vacuum. That burn pot, by the way, if you're looking at it, you're saying, what's the clips for? You undo those clips and that comes out for easy cleaning. That's interesting. And there's your legs, there's your handle, and there's your grease tray. There's the swivel wheels. Keep on going. All right, starting assembly, I put the grill up on the box, made it easier. I really like the way they designed putting it together. Everything lined, look at that, how it lines up. Those holes right there. And number 12 goes on the top. Number 13, there's holes in the bottom there, that's for the bottom shelf, so you gotta make sure that's on the inside. And we'll just attach the screws and we'll be done. This is super simple. All right, this is amazing how fast this is going together. Everything just fits perfectly. I think when the Walmart people engineered this, they did so thinking that they'd be putting a lot of them together themselves at the stores. And I know I've seen a lot of these already assembled at the stores. So I think they purposely made it easy for employees to put it together, but every single one of those lined up. There was nothing. Even the bottom shelf, nothing. It just fit. And the wheels, piece of cake. This was 10 minutes, and I'm ready to stand it up. I got standing up. The next thing is, believe it or not, there are more screws that go into the legs. So those holes right there, see them? There's and they lined up perfect. I got 4 of them in there. There's a little washer that goes in, and another one over there. Super simple. All right, next is the handle. There's only 2 separate screws for that, and you gotta make sure the expert grill goes up. All right, so that's the grease tray, and that's a grease tray bracket. There's 2 of those. I already got one where you see the screwdriver already mounted, and they just line up very nice. And once again, I really like it that everything's pre-threaded there, and you don't have to use any nuts, just screws. All right, so next is the grease tray guide, and what this is the grease trough, and the hole there goes down to the grease tray, which is, see that hole right there, and then this just fits right there, and then there's 2 screws mount from there, and you can already see it, they're matching up. That's amazing. All right, side shelf is next. Put 2 of the screws in. You don't go in, you do it on the bottom, and you don't put them in all the way. And then there's these keyholes like that, and you just like that, and then you tighten up and put the other 2 in. Super simple. All right, side shelf is on. Like I said, once again, everything fit really good. Now we're putting in the heat deflector, or they're calling it the flame tamer, and it's just this thing right here. It's not stainless steel. There's no stainless steel in this grill. And you can see there's a couple holes, and they just line up in the bottom. We'll see how that holds up over time. All right, so there's your grease tray. You can see you've got your daisy wheel here. We've got to put the arm on there yet, but this just attaches like this. And this notch section goes toward the front, and that section goes toward the grease tray, grease trap, or grease chute, whatever you want to call it. And it just fits in. Yeah, just like that. It's angled and takes the grease that away. All right, attaching the arm is real easy. It's just And when you flip it up, it comes out, and then you can pull it out, and then to put it back in, you just put it in like that, and then flip it, and it locks into place. So it's some nice design there. So I was wondering what these are, and I've got one on already. This is your cord wrap, and this is pretty cool. You just go on like this, and then back like that, and then use a screw and put it in place, and that's your cord wrap. Pretty cool. There you go. It's all put together, folks. That didn't take more than 45 minutes, and that was with me making videos. That thing went together super simple. Of all the grills, and we're in the land of grills, folks. Of all the grills I've ever put together, this was the easiest, and it's a Walmart grill. I'll tell you what, this was built to be put together and be put together easily. So if you're thinking about getting one of these and you're having some issues over whether you should put it together or not, folks, if I can do it, so can you. Hope this was helpful. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.